Plugging devices into the switch. The ports for plugging network devices into the switch are on the front of the switch. On the models with copper ports, all the ports are 10, 100, 1000 base T ports, so you use the appropriate Ethernet cables to connect laptops, VoIP phones, wireless access points, security cameras, and other network devices to the switch. If you used the default VLAN when you initially configured the switch, all the devices you connect to the switch are placed into this VLAN and can begin transmitting traffic on the network without further configuration of the switch. If you configured a different VLAN, you'll have to configure the switch to add the appropriate ports to that VLAN.